Endless Harvest starts with a simple promise. You don't need more time, land, or money. You need a system. It confronts the problem most face, being too busy to garden. Start with one manageable bag, one workable routine. From that foundation, the book introduces the models and methods behind the system. This is the garden layout we came up with for a family of 4 after experimentation over 6+ years. Those lessons are translated into a modern backyard setting. At the center is the seedling factory, the nursery system that keeps the garden alive. The narration moves into tools that make year-round growing possible. Soil is treated as infrastructure, light, fertile, and aerated. Endless Bounty offers both time and freedom. This system is not just about gardening, it's a whole new way of looking at food. Order your copy now on Amazon.